gonna be a really quick video. It's gonna be my boy beat, my like very minimal makeup, 10 minutes out the door makeup routine. But I had to do something for the practical, like every single day, girl. So yeah, if you're going to work and you need something quick, or you're going shopping, or you're going to get in a workout, this is definitely the video for you. So stay tuned and watch if you want to see how I got this look. So I'm gonna start off with my brows just because they're mortifying me right now. I'm gonna start off with a pencil. When I'm going in with more full coverage looks, I use a pomade, but if it's for like every day, you know, we're in a rush, we don't got time for a pomade. I've been using these Eyebrow Sculpt automatic pencils from Kiko Milano. This one is in shade 5, and then this one is in shade 6. Shade 6 is a black, it's just a black, and shade 5 is a dark brown. So I'm gonna go on with the dark brown one today since we're being, like, this is more of a chill look. As you can see, my eyebrows are like, let's not talk about it. I'm just filling in my brow and I'm following the natural shape of my brow. I'm not overdoing them too much or too heavy. Now I'm gonna go with this concealer palette. This is also from Kiko Milano. They have some really good stuff and they're very affordable. Not just because I used to work for the brand, they're just really good, and these are the products that I liked. I'm using this concealer palette in 03. It has a bunch of different shades in it, which is what I like, and I basically use this for like my whole face. For my eyebrow, I'm gonna use this one right here. Then I'm going in with a just fluffy concealer brush. And I'm just taking a little bit of that and I'm gonna dab that right underneath my eye. I like to use my fingers to just warm everything up. You can already see just how that lifted my face. Next, I'm gonna go into this concealer palette and I'm going to mix in these two shades. So this darker shade with this more light shade. And I'm gonna just mix these two in using the same brush that I used. And I'm just gonna go over the spots where I have like any blemishes, any like really dark spots, like here. I suffered from acne. I suffered from acne. I'm saying it like it's like some crazy disease, but no, I had really bad acne in high school. So that's why like the sides of my face seem like really damaged, scarred skin. And yeah, I'm working on that currently. I'm working on it. Just bear with me. Now that we have all of those like spots concealed and my darkness concealed, you can see it looks like, you know, my skin is skin. So then I'm going in with my powder, and this is my favorite face powder ever. The only thing that I would say about this face powder is that it's not good with oil control. If you have oily skin, this is not going to do anything for you. This is not like to like mattify or touch up through the day. This is like a face powder to like finish off your makeup and blend everything out really smoothly. It's good for that. It has a really nice smoothing effect. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this, and this is like my favorite brush ever. This is a e.l.f. blush brush, but I never use it for blush. I use it mainly underneath my eyes. I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild powder. I'm gonna take a even bigger brush, and this is also from Wet n Wild. I don't know if they still sell this, but this is like, I had this for a very long time. Or you could just use like any face brush. This one is from Kiko Milano. This one is really good for like packing on powder. And I'm just swirling in this powder, swirling off a pretty good amount. And just going to blend this all out on my face. Okay, now as you can see, it's just like a filter on my face. Like that looks like I just have a filter on. It doesn't look completely perfect. Like my skin is not like perfect shellac foundation on. No, but it looks better than before. Now for mascara, I always use a mascara primer, which is the L'Oreal Voluminous Paradise Mascara Primer, and this really helps. This really makes a difference. It's not a gimmick, guys. I love this for my lashes. And then I've been using this Kiko Milano 30 Days Extension Mascara. I really like this mascara for the wand. It's really small and it just gets the job done. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to lightly highlight my face, and this is with Kiko Milano. This is with Kiko Milano's cream highlighter. This is in the shade Dazzling. I've been using this for years, like for years. The only thing with this is it's a little like, you know, blinding, so you have to be really careful with it. But I just put it on the smallest amount. So when this, I don't even know if this is gonna come off on camera, but when I'm in person and I shift my face, like you can't see it straight on. It's not like offensive highlighter. But when I turn my face, you see this nice like shift. Then I'm gonna go in with my Garnier Rose Water Spray. I love this spray, it just adds so much moisture back into my face. And then I'm going to go in with this Double Touch in 103 by Kiko Milano. I love this shade. It's really natural. Depending on how I feel, I add this gloss or not. I'll just add it just for the sake of the video. And that is it. This is my boy beat. This is like my minimal makeup. This is what I wear like almost every day. Like, I'm not even kidding. I don't really wear a full face of makeup like that anymore, especially since I don't work in makeup anymore. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, don't forget to subscribe. Also, link me on my other social media accounts. They will all be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.